How the heck do you frame something like this? This week in the frame shop, we're gonna find out. Our client is Isabel, Michaela, and Katie from Streetlights Residential, and they seem to have a knack for finding the most unusual things. So we always know when we hear from them, it's gonna be interesting, it's gonna be a challenge. So this is a canvas, it's an original on canvas, and of course you stretch canvas. So my first call was to our CNC vendor, and I said, hey, can you custom cut this exact shape? And he said, sure, just send me a template. So I made a template. We sent the template off, and this is what we got back. This is 1/2 inch MDF. We cut out the center here to save weight. Now, at this point, we can go two different directions. We actually have a vendor that could custom make a frame that's exactly this shape. Using that same template that I made, we could have a custom frame made, lots of different finishes, gold leaf, painted colors, so lots of options. But in this case, they chose to frame this piece in a square frame and float this in like a shadow box without glass. So let's take this back in the frame shop, see how we do it. Here's our finished piece, truly unique and one-of-a-kind item. I'm going to show you a few more pieces from this project, so stick around. Please like and subscribe. Bring us your creative and unusual pieces to frame. We can handle that for you, and I'll see you next time in the frame shop.